Hello beautiful women, welcome back to my channel. This is Janvi here and I am here with the second episode of prenatal session. So in my first episode you've been gone through the warm-ups, which are basics for all trimester women. So now in this session we are going to get good standing asanas which are very helpful for the prenatal women. So yes, what is the basic what is the basic benefit of standing asanas for women is that I'll be explaining you one after the other as I go through the asanas. So yes, for that let's begin with the first asana in standing pose. Yes, let us start. Before that, Namaskaram. Alright, so the first asana which we are going to start is Tadasana. Tadasana is, you just try to take a deep breath in, raising both your hands up. And you breathe out. A deep breathe in. A deep breathe out. 3. Breathe out. 4. Breathe out. And the last one, breathe in out. Hold on here for 1. Continue breathing there. 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, slowly stretch and relax. Yes, so this one was the Tadasana. This Tadasana is specially to balance your mind and get a capability and grip on your mind. And the second asana is Akasha Mudra Tadasana. Here we slowly raise both your hands up. Taking a deep breath in, stretch, interlock both your arms up. Yes, and face your palms out. Extremely out and stretch your body from top to bottom. Slowly raise your heels up. And here we hold down. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly drop yourself down. Again take a deep breath in. Keep breathing up and down. Yes guys, so we have done with the second asana, that is Akasha Mudra Tadasana. The most important benefit of Akasha Mudra Tadasana is that you stretch your body completely from the top to the bottom. So right from the fingertips you are stretching down to your toes. So this stretch will lead you to take more of inhale and more of exhale. So you take more inhale and more exhale is indirectly or directly benefit to you and your baby. This keeps you take more breath and that more breath will keep your baby active. Yes guys, so we have done with the second asana which was Akasha Mudra Tadasana. So let's get into the third asana. So the third asana what we are going to do is Utkatasana. How do we do this Utkatasana? To do this Utkatasana, follow my steps. Yes, you give a little distance between your legs, open them wide and make sure you open both your toes out. They must be facing on the opposite side. Yes. After this, you slowly raise both your hands up, taking a deep breath in and slowly bend your knees down, breathing out, down. Breathing up. Breathe out, down. 3. Breathe out. 4. Breathe out. 5. Breathe out, down, and we hold down here. Yes, when we hold down in this position, you have to slowly raise your heels up. You are only on your toes. And we hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we slowly put your heels down, come up and stretch and relax. Yes. To relax yourself, you take a deep breath in again and a deep breath out. A deep breath in, a deep breath out. Yes guys, so this was Utkatasana, and the major benefit of this Utkatasana is to strengthen your thigh muscles. Especially hamstrings in your thighs are very weak when you are going across the labors. So what happens is after the labor you drain yourself out completely. So to avoid such things to happen, you have to keep your body strengthened more and more and more in early stages, like in this stage. So yes, if you keep doing this Utkatasana regularly for 20 to 25 times, taking a gap between each number, of make it in a form of each set. So this will work out good, it will strengthen your thighs. Yes, so you keep your thighs strengthened with this asana. Now let's continue with another asana which is known as Chakrasana on your side. So to follow Chakrasana, let's check what to do. We have to close your legs. Make sure that your legs are not apart from each other. They must be completely closed. Your hands must be straight down. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Now slowly raise your right hand up, taking a deep breath in. Yes, and you gradually breathe out on the other side. Make sure that whenever you're dropping your hand on your side, you get a complete stretch on your sides. And come up. 2, out, 3, out, 4, out, and the last one, we hold down here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we slowly come back and stretch and relax. Let's continue the same thing on the other side. Yes, hands down, raise your left hand slowly up, take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out on the other side. Make sure that this part of your side stretches out, coming back, 2, out, 3, out, 4, out, and the last one, and we hold down. Here we hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we slightly come back and we stretch and relax. Yes guys, so we are done with Chakrasana. Now let's know the benefit of Chakrasana. So we are done with Chakrasana. Now let's get into the benefit of Chakrasana. So while doing Chakrasana, you might have been observing that you give a stretch on your side. So Chakrasana is one which gives a stretch on your side, increases the elasticity nature in your skin, which will help you to get away from the stretch marks during pregnancy. So to get away from all such kind of stretch marks, you try to do some asanas which can give a elasticity stretch in your nature, so that you're away from all such kind of stretch marks. So yes guys, finally we're done with all these standing asanas which are benefit for you and your baby, and strengthening your muscles, thighs, ankles, legs and your shoulders, and keeps your baby active. So finally, I'll catch you up with the next asana session in episode 3, and until then, I'll sign off. Yes, until then, please do like, share, subscribe and comment on my comment box so that I can reply to you and have a great communication between you and me. So thank you guys. So see you in the next episode. Namaste.